Hello, and thank you for joining Paper Crafting with Tracy. Today I'm going to show you the Paper Pumpkin Kit. Change is Beautiful, which is from April 2022, and I'm going to show you some of the alternatives that I made in there as well. So when we open up the kit, there was a little sneak peek as to what might be in the May Paper Pumpkin Kit that's coming, and it's celebrating the new in colors. And there's all these different shades here. They look like they're going to be lots of fun. And they have another surprise in there as well. Some of the Paper Pumpkin kits are going to have a golden voucher in there that is going to be worth $34 Canadian or $25 US. So the only way you can have a chance of winning is by purchasing the May 2022 Paper Pumpkin kit. So these are the designs that the kit has the material for. And as always, here's all the instructions in there. And then some alternatives and that sort of thing in the back. And this is what all came in the kit there. So there was a Melon Mambo ink spot, some dimensionals. This is the stamp set. I'm not sure if you can see. There's I Believe in You, Every Day is a New Day, Beautiful Things Take Time. These are just some flowers, a caterpillar, a couple butterflies. I am so proud of who you've become, and may this new season hold wonderful new experiences. Sorry, that was a little off. And then the card bases that came with it have a bit of a fold in them, which you'll see when I do show you some of the samples. So this was one side, and then on the other side that has your sentiment. So that was one. Here's another one. And the back side. And then this one was a little bit different. That's the inside, actually. And when you fold it over, it's stars, but I don't know if you can see there, so you can see it on the inside. The die cuts for the stars and the moon. So here's some more die cuts that were in there. Flowers and butterflies and clouds. There was some embellishments. You can see some pearly shaped embellishments. 9 different envelopes. So there was 3 of the yellow, 3 of the pink, and 3 of the blue and green. So here's one of the cards that the instructions were for. Okay, just kind of a Z-shaped card in the back. Here's another one. And the final one that the instructions had. And then when you open it up. So some of my alternatives to this kit, I just took some of the bases and made some other things. So there's that one. This one here, Every Day is a New Day, just the sun and the clouds. Okay, here's another take on Every Day is a New Day. And this one I just took some of the pieces that I cut off for this card base, I used for this one. Could be used for a variety of things. Here's another one. All I did was cut this one down. I'll show you what the base looked like again. So this was the base, but I used the back of that one as my frame around here. Okay. There's another one. I just added some Daffodil Delight as the background. And I just took a stamp from a different one. I can't remember the set. It might have been Beautiful Trees or something. And then the piece I cut off, I put on the inside. And then finally, may this new season hold wonderful new experiences. And I just took a variety of the dies and stuck it on there and used Melon Mambo, sorry, as my base. So I hope you've found this useful, showing all the different alternatives to this Paper Pumpkin kit. And please subscribe to the channel and happy stamping!